Welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today we are going to make a pineapple. How to make a pineapple? To make this, you need paper, pencil, scissors, thread and needle, pins, stuffing, yellow and green felt. Draw a pineapple. Today we are going to make a pineapple, felt pineapple. So first draw a pineapple. Cut. Okay, put this aside. Take this, put on fold, put here, pin and cut. Take yellow one, put on fold, pin and cut. Okay, take this one and sew. Okay, so go ahead and do that all over here and on this one all over here. Okay, it's done. Take brown thread and do this. Okay, so do that here and on this part. Okay, it's done. From here, take this one and here. And sew right round. It's done. So now open here, take stuffing and insert. Okay, it's done. So now take a needle and thread and do a running stitch. Okay, and pull. So now take this, okay, take your needle and thread and do a running stitch here. and put. Okay, like that. And put here and soar. Okay, like that. And now I'll do this here. And soar. Okay, it's done. Our pineapple is done. So you can use this as a decoration in your house, or you can use this as a keychain decoration. You can put something here so that it can hold onto your keys, or you can put it on your bag. Maita kuona. Thank you for watching. Nite kurete arigato. Bye.